2, 1. Okay, we start. Morning, good evening everyone. Good evening everyone. Welcome to the SML draw of our top 16. Welcome to our draw of top 16 tournament hosted by the Soweto Masters League. Without a waste of time, we're just gonna open this event because we're a Christian country with a prayer from one of us. We'll ask which team, the champions, to pray for us because this is their home, and after that they need to welcome us and tell us where the ablution facilities are, and then we'll start with our program for the day. Okay, Kapa, as far as let's keep it in Machibos. And now, can you lead us in prayer? Thank you very much for hosting this draws for us as the venue. This is a wonderful venue for SML. You've been keeping our team happy and entertained the whole season. We appreciate very much. Keep this up. We appreciate, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome, guys. This is Hope. Thank you. Over to you. Oh, the toilets are, guys, this is Hope, you know. The toilet, bathrooms, this side, the kitchen is that side, beverages this side, cold beverages, hot beverages that side, food as well that side. There's ample parking. Guys, please just don't close the gates, man. Please, gentlemen. Over to you, bro.
No, thank you very much. No, this is a champion, guys. And don't be shy. They said you must never call them Kappa Gate. We should call them champions. Yeah. No, thank you very much. Yeah. Without a waste of time, guys, we're gonna call the chairman because we got an important announcement to make, guys. We will deliver a very important message. We must listen attentively. Without a waste of time, the chairman of Soweto Masters League, Mr. Nyamela, the platform is yours.
Salmonan. Prophet, it's nothing big. Today, we honor some of the missions behind the scene. Today, Muzombela in front of the effort alphabet to be where we are today. SML from Kerala Police Service. So, SML, we was assistant. We lost EUSG to I think 2 years ago. And then we lost a lot of data, a lot of Amazon. The same customer came in, was designing software, yellow, was designing our flyers. Even the flyer, we want to be able to service ahead. But the main important role like that, this time we Facebook hit me. So extra something small, just to say we appreciate the effort here for people. So today everybody we has admin Bali, and yeah, that's all. I don't know what you call it from we able to put in cards something.
I'm entirely chairman. I'm private, cool. I'm happy behind the scenes. Support down sustainable. Now, I'm party. Sometimes I'm very party. At the Kulumba, Nina, or Kumunto Commentara, the Lendo Each will say, I'm party. I'm very legal. And then we will start the gate to see all of the chat was I'm a team will obviously present and you will high so Alexander Hajan, so SML
Another round of applause there to our my favorite admin. Let us encourage, guys. This is our Facebook page. Those are some of the social media platforms that will assist us to grow this league. If we comment on that league, companies follow our brand everywhere. If we grow that brand in terms of Facebook, we have many followers. If we go chasing for sponsors, it's easy for them to donate because they know their brand is going to be automatically promoted. So each and every team, it owes comments to follow our favorite admin, Mr. Stemmer. We congratulate you as the Soweto Masters League. Keep on doing the great work. Without a waste of time, I just want to give the background of our top 16 and give an update of the scores from the past weekends. Yeah, the first game at Russia, it was Dikapa versus Zola. Yes, they're not called the champions for nothing. They beat Zola 2-1. A round of applause. First game at Naledi Extension 2, that was Doronkop, the student versus Pirilakun, and the Hyenas ran all over Doronkop, 1-0 to Pirilakuns. Let's have hands. And then we go back to Russia, whereby it was a war. It was a war between NTT, Exclusive Legends, versus MCM, Umparat, Millionaires Community, and the score went in favor of MCM with the 1-0 over NTT. Let's just play for it. The next game, it was the former champions, and then Masters against Amatswapenene. It was the battle of the Blue Nations. But then the former champions, they triumphed with 3 goals to 0. Amatswapenene went down. The next game at Russia, Frontier Legends versus the Cheese Boys, Rockville. It was hunting of the game. It lasted long, that usual. But the score went 0-0, no man of the match there. But the penalties were the order of the day, and the 10 legends went through. And then we moved to another extension 2, whereby the crowd was packed to capacity. The football was lovely. People made money, following the slogan of SML, supporting small businesses. People of Naledi Extension 2 are rich because of Soweto's master. Yes, the game there that cooled the crowd. It was Naledi Extension 28 versus Startown of Fanabase Naledi. Naledi Masters beat Amahata 4-1 and Extension 28 went down. And then it was the host that side, the host, Clenrich versus Extension 29. That one is a day because both teams, the players make up and down. They move this side to that side, this side to that side. And yeah, even management, this side to this side. Yeah, it was that one, it was a very interesting game. But yeah, the host, Clenrich, went through with the 2-0 over Extension 28. Let's clap hands for Clenrich. And then the Fat Boys against the Lucky Land. There it was an SAPS affair. Mapanyaza versus Amahada. Tolano Cash, Mapanyaza, Pasi. Ozumu, Boys, Satantana, Mapanyaza, Nabohata. The game went 1-1 because the people were fighting over the law. But you know, when you fetch to fetch, the fetches did their business. They passed through with penalties. Let's have them for Pumbas. Of time, guys, I just like to announce that now we're in the quarterfinals of the Soweto Masters League Cup top 16. The teams that are left, according to the scores that I've mentioned there, we've got 8 teams left, guys. And I want to make a big announcement. As you're all here at the venue, you can see Pumbas is already on the board. The reason why Pumbas is here, they're hosting their award ceremony and closing party next Sunday on the 8th. So automatically they are going to play the first game, so that after everything, if you're interested to support their event, you can go and join them. So the draw is going to start from whoever is going to join Pumbas going down. Let us get to the business of the day. Can my special people who are very good in doing this come forward? Mali, what's that why? Yeah, this is our SG, guys. Ubukhona, guys, you've done a great job. Let's just step hands for him. And this one is the standard of the league. Is the one who, one favorite guy we started this league with. He's been all over the show until Shusha adopted him at his first spot. Let's step hands for him. Okay, without a waste of time, we're gonna start here. We count first. It should be 7 teams. 1 is Pumbas there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In total, it's 8. It's the quarterfinal of the Soweto Masters League. The draw is gonna start. Osmani, do the food. Catch your pot. Yeah, catch your pot. Yeah. We don't want to be accused of something else we don't know. Yeah. Furiwa. Okay, the first game and the second game of the day on our quarterfinal of the SML top 16 that will be played at Venue is Ipongo High School at the back of Ipongo High School at Dlamini. That will be the champions.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go to the third game of the day. The third game of the day. Fudua. King Karuba talk at Chapela, but the Fudua. Yeah. Okay, what's that one? Don't. Our third match of the day. Third match of the day. Emily Masters. I can sense that the house was tense. Now Papa and them dead, yes. Okay, okay, our last game of the day, that will be played at Tepong on coming Sunday. That will be on the 8th of December. Soweto Masters League quarter final. It will be Cambridge Masters. Oh, Cambridge. And now we're gonna go back now to the top that are gonna be versus this about 4 teams. The team that will be playing the first game with Bombas. Yeah, keep your fingers crossed. That will be halala. And then the team that will be playing MJ Masters and high school at 12 that will be the champions versus Umparati. Yeah, now the trials are about to come to an end. And we've got MD Masters and Cambridge, the team that will be taking on the former champions and the most successful team in SML. Our last team of the day, it will be the Lady Masters versus Cambridge Masters. That's all, the Lady Masters versus Cambridge Masters. The last game of the day. Guys, we've got some information to just share with you. And first of all, before we share that information, we need to thank you guys very much for keeping this tournament very respectful and for giving us such amazing football. Please, we cannot stop to emphasize on time. The reason why some games delayed, it was because of time. Let us respect the match officials and keep time. I repeat, let us respect the match officials and keep time and stick to the rules. And stick to the rules. The draw is officially on our screens. Without the waste of time, I'm going to give our chairman of the disciplinary committee to say a word.
Evening,
Mr. Chaka.
Evening, guys. Few things, guys. Remember, you bring original ID or copy of ID or passport. Copy of ID must be certified. 2024. No 2023. If it's not certified, you can't play. Please, guys. Second, read the rules. If you are 15 minutes, after 15 minutes grace, it's 2 goals down.
Yes.
Please, again, read the rules. The rules are on our group of SML. Please, guys. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much to the chairman. Let's clap hands for the chairman of disciplinary hearing and party. Well, what's in party? Okay, are you ready? Absent of party. I'll ask the SG. Can we close the business of the day? Okay, I think everything is clear, guys. It's not the first time. Last week we were here. Most of the things were announced last week. I cannot stop to emphasize what the chairman has of disciplinary committee has just said. Don't read the rules for yourself. Give the players the rules. The rules and the players and the fans must know the rules so that they don't jeopardize the competition. It's even worse because in some venues these games are broadcast. It's going to be embarrassing to be your fans or your official or your player appearing on our videos doing funny things. It's bringing the organization into disrepute. We are here to play soccer, build friends, create networks, and enjoy ourselves. We hate taking people to disciplinary measures and dividing ourselves and fighting. Let's keep to the spirit of the league. Brotherhood and sisterhood connect. By so saying, I'm closing the event of the day. Okay, I'm closing the event of the day, but I'll call upon the representative of our hosting team, NTT Exclusive Lodgement, Mr. Salter. Yeah, you can invite your people and brief them about the event of Saturday.
Yes,
Sunday, the 8th of December.
Yeah, just to put in my direction, I think it says but the Porches Road next to the Muslim church. Zitipongo, we are in the ground. Saturday is on Pacha. Really, right.
Well done, Salter. No, SML team are very experienced, these people. They've been playing on top of a stone for years, they're very experienced. They are stars. They can play football on top of a stone. I just let's not waste time, guys. Let us go in prayer. We open our business with prayer, guys. Let us just close in prayer and then Salter. So it's hard to tournament. As far as just make a small prayer and then we can depart and shake hands outside. Father